Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for December 2014. Merry Christmas Virgos. We begin the month with 3 planets, that is Mercury, Sun and Venus in Sagittarius. It's activating a part of your chart that has to do with your home. It has to do with your roots. It has to do with the kind of nurturance you got as a child. And Mercury is coming and transiting this part of your chart, and it's going to come and give you increased power of concentrations, and you may require solitude in order to get your mental work done during this cycle, Virgos. And your memory is going to be quite retentive than usual, and your thoughts often turn to personal matters, to family, siblings, loved ones. You might particularly enjoy discussions about your early past life, the past or family matters during this cycle. In fact, it's a great time to be opening up conversations with loved ones, as you're more rational when it comes to personal matters now. And your mind is going to be often wandering off to domestic concerns, issues around surrounding your home, family, personal past. On the other hand, this transit sometimes indicates an extremely busy time for you, perhaps very hectic as well, period on the domestic scene. And for example, you could be, you could take some work, some homework from office, and you may go home and you may realize that you have guests visiting over there, and you will not just have the time to sort of cope up with the work that's, or the busyness that is there at home and the busyness that is there at work. Sun is also coming and illuminating this part of your chart, Virgos, wherein that you're going to be quite preoccupied with thoughts of feeling secure and going back to your roots, and just having a sense of belonging. I think you're going to be seeking that out more. You could also be thrust into a position of leadership at the home front. Maybe you are being looked upon as a decision maker, both in your own immediate family and also in your extended family, and you could be called upon to take some decisions or even be a sort of a mediator. I think Virgos do that quite well. This is a time to do what you can to build trust in your family life and a strong foundation within yourself. So regardless of who you meet externally in the outside world, you have a secure place to return to. It's a good time, Virgos, for those of you who may have sort of be dealing with little bit of difficult domestic issues, and this has to do with your family, your parents, your siblings. This is a time where you can sort of smooth things over. It's a good time to be opening up conversations, or even to putting things to rest if there have been some irritants in the past. Jupiter, the planet of expansion, the planet of goodwill, opportunity, goes retrograde on December 8th, and this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with soul growth and undoing privacy and secrets. Now, any planet retrograde is traditionally known as either negative or having a crippling effect on an individual. However, the retrograde energy just sends you more inward. It's not an external, not an output energy. It's a time wherein the planets are asking you to revise, retweak, rethink the plans that you may have done. And because this has to do with your house of karma, this has to do with sort of self-undoing. It's a time where the planet is asking you to look at the things that you have, the seeds that you have sown, how it is that you are behaving with others, or how it is that you have been with others, or what is your past been like. And Jupiter, the retrograde of Jupiter, while it can sort of limit our expansion and challenge our hopes, it can also help you question your philosophy in life or your moral values. It makes you wiser, and it makes you spiritually very rich. And Jupiter has an influence, it acts to expand and enlarge our personal landscapes. And the Jupiter transits normally allow growth and expansion of consciousness, involving the conditions and nature of course, the houses and planets that are involved. And this is a time, because it has to do with your house of soul growth and undoing. It's a time for charity, and it's a time to be reaching out for spirituality within you, Virgos. And as far as your secrets are concerned, be a little careful about whom it is that you confide in, Virgos. Try not to sort of go all over the place, or try not to trust people too blindly. So while we've had Jupiter slowing things down and asking you to go inward and have a look at your plans and do a lot of research and connect with your higher being, we have Uranus, the unpredictable boy of astrology, who comes and goes direct on December 21st. And Uranus is also known as the awakener, and he's extremely wild, chaotic, and he does not tolerate any form of restraint. And he's going in a part of your chart that has to do with sexuality and joint finances. Now Uranus is going to get in over here and shake up things for you, and there could be some ambiguities or unexpected happenings surrounding money. That is a part of your life, but that doesn't come from your own earned income. So this could include shared resources with a close partner, alimony, taxes, loans, and so forth. So you could be feeling maybe, it can be an EMI, or maybe some form. You may just find that the rates have shot up, or maybe the money that you were expecting just gets refused. There can be some amount of a chaos as far as your joint finances are concerned, Virgo. So just keep a watch, and this trend has been there for you since the last 3 months now. So watch your money around this time, and you could feel a little you could feel as if you've been thrown off balance, because it has not been planned, or this money has not been budgeted for, and could just be an expense that could come up all of a sudden. It could also be something that could interfere in your own pursuit of pleasure, and you may just have to spend extra money in order to get that now. So maybe, I think, if you're going to a gym, you may just realize that the fee is just got hiked up, or something like that. As well, you may not be able to depend on support or backing from others. So this position also indicates it's generally a period of uncertainty as far as money is concerned, Virgo, and it also has to do about your uncertainty around your intimate relationships as well. You will be experimenting a lot with your sexuality, and this trend also, Virgos, has been there for you for the last 8 months now. I think you will be quite besides being experimental with your sexual life, you will be quite accepting of it as well. The unusual is what interests and excites you during this phase. So great month, Virgos. Looks good. We, of course, like I said, it's all a lot of time being spent with the family, and for those of you where there has been some sort of trouble on the domestic or in the family front, it's a great time to be sorting things out, and you are going to be sort of feeling quite nostalgic. So it's a time where you can iron differences out with your family, Virgos. Keep that in mind. And of course, we are ending the month with a wild party happening in a part of your chart that has to do with your shared resources and sexuality. Have a brilliant December, Virgos. I'll see you again next year, and thank you so much for watching.